Hello everyone, this is my work fit. I have just a white top on and these blue pants that were both shown in my haul. So I'm going now. I think it's about 33 minutes away. So I have to leave now or else I'll be late. I just got home. It was a super busy day. We got Subway for lunch provided by the company. Honestly, the whole day I was just trying to find files I need and then input the data. It's not data entry exactly, but it's sampling, if you guys know what that is. It's definitely the highlight of my week. It was super different experience. Like, I'm not just in a cubicle, I was in an open, huge boardroom with huge tables, comfy chairs. And yeah, people were joking around, like it was very relaxed. Taste test.
Why does it look so like slanted?
Oh no! It crumbled! Oh. I'll try the ear.
No, because it's gonna be so strong, it's just
I don't know if it's cooked.
Yeah, I think Sean's fine. Let me try it.
This is our full trunk. We brought so much stuff. You guys, it's the first day of my last week at work right now. I will say more later, but I'm actually late, so I gotta go. You guys, I'm on lunch break right now. I usually go out to eat at like a park, so that's where I'm at now. I had pierogies for lunch, as you guys just saw, and yeah, I'm just going for a walk now like I usually do. I usually do like a 30-minute walk if I can get that in time. I just did my underarms and my upper lip for the first time. You can tell there's still some sunscreen that she put on for me, but oh my gosh. For lunch on my last day of work, I've decided to treat myself. This is what I got. It's like a brownie butterscotch goodness, yumminess. It's like a German brownie, I think. Hey guys, I just finished my last day. I have so much to say. It was such a good day. I'll vlog in a second though because I don't want to stay in this parking lot. Okay guys, I just stopped at a parking lot to debrief this whole day, okay? Okay, so in my mind I thought I was gonna wake up, get there super early, right? Show up for the last day of work, get there before the partners of the firm and be like, good morning, yeah, I'm here, it's my last day, I know I'm early, stuff like that, okay? And today is no special day. One, today our house goes on the market, which means my house has to be entirely clean. So in the morning, I'm already scrambling. Number two, it's my friend's birthday today, my close friend's birthday, which means I gotta do the birthday post, birthday text in the morning. So on top of those two, I wanna wear my contacts so I can say bye to everyone properly and, you know, see their faces and someone's waving to me, I can see them. And lastly, today I have a laser hair removal appointment during lunch. So I start off the morning already late. Then I get in the car, realize I forgot to put my contacts, so I have to take the extra time to go to the backseat, get my glasses, so I'm extra late again. And I've never been late to work before, like I take this very seriously. And today when I got to work, it was 8:31 and the office opens at 8:30. Anyways, time moves on. And it's lunchtime. I'm walking to my laser hair removal appointment. It's like cloudy, almost about to rain, so I'm already nervous. And then I feel something dripping on my leg. I look at my bag. My coffee spilled all over my bag. I haven't spilled anything in this bag the entire summer. And then on the last day I spilled. And yeah, I had a good feeling, and at the end the partners were like, if you're looking for a job next summer, they'd like send us a message and stuff. And I was like, oh yeah, I'm definitely looking. So that's good. But overall, I'm so happy to be finished. I'm really grateful to have worked there, and it was a good 3 months. I went May 3rd to August 12th, which is today. And now I'm free. Hey guys, August 21st, my dad and I are going to Niagara Falls on a little car run. So we're going to this really cool place for dinner. I think it's like a revolving like dinner. I don't know if it actually moves, but it's really expensive, but the view's supposed to be really nice. So I'll update you guys when we get there. This is what I decided to wear today. It's just a white long sleeve blue skirt and a nude purse. Hey guys, we just finished the first leg and now we're at St. Catharines. We just stopped by McDonald's and Tim Hortons. It took a lot of self-restraint to not order anything, but I'm gonna try to hold out. It's 7:30 now. I have a bag of snacks, but we'll see how that goes. We're heading out to the second leg now. I think it's gonna be another hour and a half. We left the house at 5:45, so it's gonna be a long night. Apparently the place we're gonna go to, you can like walk around the top. It's like the CN Tower basically, but in Niagara Falls. My dad is now mingling with the other driver, so I'm just waiting here. Hello, fathers. Hey guys, we just left the group. It's pretty dark now. I think we're just gonna make it. The ETA says like 9:05, so let's see how that goes. I feel the hunger is starting to kick in. I had a little granola snack, but that's about it. Besides the grape and the granola snack, since lunch I've been hungry. So. Hey guys, we just got to the restaurant. I don't know if you can hear us, but it's super busy. So after the stairs, you turn around. There's these two cute little paintings here. Then I actually have this whole floor to myself. So here's my first window bench. There's just some little flower hooks here. This room is very playful. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but the ceiling is actually slanted, which is part of the reason why I'm living up here, because I'm the shortest in my family. Then we just have a little chest here, some of my belongings. and this little creepy core-line door, but it's not that creepy. There's just like the furnace and stuff in there. And then here's my desk, and then back into the hallway. This is what it looks like. These were the stairs I just came up on. Then there's my cute little bathroom. I'm dressed like this because I just got back from work. But I just have a few hooks here, a little painting. There's my shower and my toilet. Not the most exciting here, but you know, I'm glad to have my own bathroom in the first place. Then as we move up, my mirror is gone. Okay, well I used to have a mirror here until I got home today, I guess. This is my actual bedroom here. I guess I'll start with when you walk in. This is my bed, got a little pink theme going on as you can see. 2 nightstands. Here there's another little mysterious core-line door. And then as you pan around the room, you can tell that the ceiling is also slanted, but I never go on that side, so it's okay. Then I just have my dresser, little plant. And something really cool about my closet actually is that it leads to the other side, which I forgot to show. So something I'll probably get asked is why there's trains. This is what people ask me about the most. So it actually goes all the way into that little mini core-line closet and it comes back around. The previous owner actually built this himself. So it's a really cool, unique piece about my room. I never realized how unique that was to have a literal train set in your room, but yeah, I think it's really cool. So this is what my room looks like outside of my bedroom.